Yeah, Maggie will take 3 flats.
Okay.
Good morning.
Oh,
10 eggs already.
that's pretty good. I took that bag off that pan yesterday.
Yeah, perfect.
Put some air in. I didn't turn it on, but
No, there's at least fresh air coming in, right?
yeah. Well, they got warm enough. All that snow fell off the greenhouse yesterday. Morning, guys. Oh yeah. They're looking good. They're looking good. Yeah, behind Blade. Behind Blade. He's good looking. Yeah, that worked perfect. Just put that panel here. Did you see it?
No.
Well, we just threw one panel in.
Inside?
Yeah, hooked it up to here. Made like a little Y or a
Yeah.
little V here. And then we walked him around. He kind of just walked himself right in. Worked perfect.
And you're kind of protected from the others, too.
Yeah, exactly. She did nothing. She knows what's going on. Right, Mama?
He looks nice and healthy.
Oh, he looks great.
So does Blade, though. Like
He's thick.
Yeah.
Like, he's really thick. Like, by September, he'll already be he'll be big for a year-old, like for a yearling. Hi. Hi, Pebbles. How are you? How's it going, sweetie? Boy, you're pretty. Boy, are you pretty. She's looking good too. She's getting a long coat, eh? Like it seems like she's got. He's got the shortest, like the new guy. Oh yeah.
Blade's got a lot of brown undertones.
They all seem to, like, he's got the most. He's probably the most brown. She's got like, she's dark and then she's got that brown kind of neck and belly.
Yeah.
And him, you can kind of see it across, but he looks darker.
And he should be.
Yeah, but she's got that red coat too.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's a cute looking calf. some point we'll have to put Chuck in a little section just to finish him. Hi. How's Daisy? How's Daisy? You good? You're good. Yeah, you're a good girl. Bammers. Yeah. That would be lovely if you didn't. See how nice you can be? What an animal, eh? Oh, that's Chuck. All right.
Where did those boxes yesterday?